Hello students, today we are going to study exercise 8.2, first question, fourth part. First question, it is evaluate. Fourth question, sin 30 degree plus tan 45 degree minus cosec 60 degree divide by sec 30 degree plus cos 60 degree plus cot 45 degree. Now substituting the values, we get sin 30. Sin 30 it is equal to 1 by 2 plus tan 45 equal to 1 minus cosec 60. Cosec is the reciprocal of sine. So it is sin 60 root 3 by 2. Therefore cosec 60 equal to 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3. Divide by denominator sec 30. Sec is the reciprocal of cos. Cos 30 is same as sin 60 degree. Sin 60 degree equal to root 3 divided by 2. So its reciprocal, it is equal to 2 by root 3. Plus cos 60. Cos 60 equal to sin 30. Sin 30 equal to 1 by 2. Plus cot 45 is same as tan 45. It is equal to 1. Now taking LCM in numerator, we get it is equal to numerator LCM 2 root 3. First one into root 3 minus plus 1 into 2 root 3, it is 2 root 3 minus 2 into 2, that is equal to 4. When you take the LCM, we get root 3 plus 2 root 3 minus 4 as numerator. Divide by denominator 2 root 3 is the LCM. First one into 2, 4 plus second into root 3, it is root 3 plus 1 into 2 root 3, that is equal to 2 root 3. 2 root 3, we can cancel. This is equal to root 3 plus 2 root 3, that is 3 root 3 minus 4 divided by denominator root 3 plus 2 root 3, that is 3 root 3 plus 4. Now we have to rationalize. That is multiplying both numerator and denominator into 3 root 3 minus 4. That is, here it is 3 root 3 minus 4. Numerator also into 3 root 3 minus 4. So we can write 3 root 3 minus 4 the whole square. Now it is of the form a minus b the whole square. A square is 3 root 3 the whole square. 3 square 9. Root 3 square 3. 9 into 3 equal to 27. Minus 2ab. 2 into 3 6. 6 4s are 24. 24 into root 3. 24 root 3. Plus b square equal to 4 square, that is equal to 16. Divide by denominator a plus b into a minus b form, that is a square minus b square. A square 3 root 3 the whole square, that is 27. Minus b square equal to 4 square, it is 16. Now 27 plus 16. 27 plus 16 equal to 43. That is equal to 43 minus 24 root 3 divided by 27 minus 16. 27 minus 16 equal to 11. So the answer is 43 minus 24 root 3 divided by 11. Okay. Fifth question. 5 cos square 60 degree plus 4 sec square 30 degree minus tan square 45 by sin square 30 degree plus cos square 30 degree equal to 5 into cos 60 is same as sin 30, isn't it? Sin 30 it is 1 by 2. So it is 1 by 2 the whole square. Plus 4 into sec is the reciprocal of cos. Cos 30 is same as sin 60. Sin 60 equal to root 3 by 2. So its reciprocal is 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3 the whole square. Minus tan square 45. Tan 45 equal to 1. So 1 square it is equal to 1. Divide by denominator sin 30. Sin 30 equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 the whole square plus cos square 30. Cos 30 is same as sin 60. Sin 60 root 3 by 2. So it is equal to root 3 by 2 the whole square. That is equal to 5 into 1 by 2 the whole square is 1 by 4 plus 4 into 2 square 4 root 3 square it is 3 minus 1 divided by denominator 1 by 2 the whole square, that is 1 by 4 plus Root 3 square is 3. 2 square equal to 4. 3 by 4. Okay. That is same as 5 into 1 by 4. That is 5 by 4 plus 16 divided by 3 minus 1 divided by 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. 1 plus 3. 4 by 4. 4 by 4 equal to 1 divided by 1 equal to. Now here numerator LCM equal to 12. 3 into 5 15 plus 16 into 4 64 minus 4 into 3 12 into 1 12 into 12 is the LCM, isn't it? 12 into 1 equal to 12. 15 plus 64 it is 79. 79 minus 12. 79 minus 12 equal to 67. 67 divided by 12. Answer 67 divided by 12. Second question. Choose the correct option and justify your choice. First one it is 2 tan 30 by 1 plus tan square 30. The question is 2 tan 30 degree by 1 plus tan square 30 degree. Tan 30 equal to 1 by root 3, isn't it? So it is 2 into 1 by root 3 by 1 plus 1 by root 3 the whole square. 1 by root 3 the whole square. That is equal to 2 by root 3 divided by 1 plus 1 by root 3 the whole square is 1 by 3. Now taking LCM in denominator, it is 3 into 1 3 plus 1 4 by 3. So it is 2 root 3 divided by 4 by 3. Now taking the reciprocal, we get 2 by root 3 into 3 divided by 4. Now root 3 and 3 get cancelled. It is root 3 times because 3 is same as root 3 into root 3. 1 root 3 get cancels. So we get root 3. 2 and 4 also get cancels 2 times. So it is equal to root 3 by 2. But we know that root 3 by 2 is equal to sine 60, isn't it? Sine 60 is same as root 3 divided by 2. So it is equal to sine 60. So here the option is first one, that is A, sine 60 is the correct answer. So we can write the answer A, sine 60 is the required answer. Okay. Second one, 1 minus tan square 45 by 1 plus tan square 45. 1 minus tan square 45 degree by 1 plus tan square 45 degree. 1 minus tan 45 it is 1. So tan square 45 means 1 square. 1 square is 1 divided by 1 plus 1 square, that is 1. 1 minus 1 equal to 0. 0 by 2, that is equal to 0. So the correct option is D. D equal to 0. D is 0. So the answer is D, 0. Okay. Third one, sine 2a equal to 2 sine a is true when a equal to. That is, we can substitute the first choice, that is a equal to 0. Substituting a equal to 0, we get LHS equal to. Substituting a equal to 0 degree, LHS will become sine 2a, that is sine 2 into 0. 2 into 0 equal to 0. Sine 0 equal to 0. RHS equal to, substituting the value of a equal to 0 in RHS, we get 2 into sine 0. 2 into sine 0, that is equal to sine 0 is 0. 0 into 2 equal to 0. So we get LHS equal to RHS. LHS equal to RHS means the given value, that is a equal to 0 is the correct answer. So we can write a equal to 0 is the 0 degree is the correct answer. Okay, a equal to 0. Fourth one, 2 tan 30 degree by 1 minus tan square 30. 2 tan 30 by 1 minus tan square 30, that is equal to 2 into tan 30 equal to 1 by root 3 divide by 1 minus tan square 30, that is 1 by root 3 the whole square, equal to 2 into 1 by root 3 is 2 by root 3 by denominator 1 minus 1 by root 3 the whole square is 1 by 3 equal to 2 by root 3 divided by taking LCM in denominator we get 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 equal to 2. 2 by 3, isn't it? 2 by 3 equal to 2 by 3. Now taking reciprocal we get 2 divided by root 3 into 3 divided by 2. 2 cancels. Root 3 and 3 cancels. Root 3 times because 3 is same as root 3 in root 3. 1 root 3 get cancels. We get root 3. Root 3 equal to, we know that root 3 is same as tan 60 degree. Root 3 that is equal to tan 60 degree, isn't it? So here the answer is tan 60. Tan 60, option C. Therefore the correct answer, option C, tan 60 degree. Okay. Thank you.